Nizhyn city is the second large city in Chernigiv area, Chernigiv district, after the Chernigiv city itself. So this is the main square and the building of local administration, some small fountain, and from this main square, pedestrian street Gogol, it's a well-known writer, begins. The map, to regret, only in Ukrainian language, the main historical attraction of the city. To regret, I didn't find any English inscription. At least it was in summer 2024. But I think it will be changed after the war will be finished. This is a small monument to the local people who died during the war. A little bit further, some small park with fountain in the middle. In Nizhyn there is a big problem. No places, I can say absolutely no places to swim, no lakes, no ponds. So such small fountains is very big attraction for kids, especially in summertime. For example, in summer 2024 the temperature was in Nizhyn in July reached 32 degrees. Monuments of some sailor who was born here. This is, I think, the piece of off-road, wooden road, how it looked like 100 years ago. Some historic building. Here is the church of monastery, small area for shopping, for souvenirs, and ahead we see St. Nicholas Cathedral, the main Orthodox temple in Nizhyn. And from the right side here is a Gogol Square, Gogol Park, very small park, nothing interesting, only a monument of this writer in the middle. Here is. By the way, in the historical part of Nizhyn there are a lot of churches. At least I counted around 10, but I think before it was more. For example, here one, it's still under reconstruction, and Soviet communists, they destroyed all the churches and or turned out them into tambour houses. So the local Orthodox community reconstructed them step by step. And here is Alley of Heroes, soldiers, officers who were killed, who died during the Russian-Ukraine war. A lot of people. And to regret, as video was did in summer 2024, I think this alley will be prolonged, to regret. So on this not very happy tune, we'll finish some small very short walking tour in this historical part of Nizhyn city.